Social media. There's absolutely no way you haven't heard of it yet. Over the last few years, social media has completely changed the internet and also the world of marketing. So what are the reasons for your business to start utilizing these new forms of communication as soon as possible? These are the 7 most important ones. Number 1. Showcase your brand. Social media offers another marketing channel for creating brand awareness, relationship building, or driving new sales. So why not use it, especially when it's free? Number 2. Develop a loyal community. Number 3. Improve customer service. Number 4. Increase digital exposure. Number 5. Boost traffic in search engine rating. Social media is a major lead generator, and it constantly brings high-volume traffic to your website. They can also help with SEO. Number 6. Expand sales and reach a new audience. Listening to your prospects on social networks can help you respond to their specific needs. Number 7. Cut marketing costs. Compared to traditional channels like print or advertising, social media marketing is affordable for any business. So how about leaving the social stuff to us? So get in touch with us. We're ready to start today.